Peekaboo! Playland!
Come on, kids. Let's go outside to our garden.
Garden! Flies!
Outside! In the garden, we love to play on a warm and sunny day. Green, green leaves all around, soft, soft grass
Let's
on
go.
the ground. I see a tree. Rain, rain, falling down all around. Tap, tap on the leaves, tap, tap on the trees. Listen, listen, rain is here. Drip, drip on my hand, drip, drip on the land. Plip, plip, tiny rain, soft, soft, not a pain. It feels cool, it feels ripped. Raindrops are so small, but they help us all. Rain, rain, falling down all around. Drip, drip on my nose, drip, drip on my toes. Rain helps plants grow in our garden slow, 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 slow. When it rains, what do? We wear boots, 1 and 2. We wear a coat, nice and dry. We wear a hat up high. Raincoat on, boots on. Ho! Good job!
Oh, look! A
Now
tiny
we're
worm!
safe.
Hi there, little friend! You're so
Rain,
cute!
rain, falling down all around. Walk, walk, nice and slow. Puddle splash, here we go. Maroney, no slipping. Look, look, puddles here. Shiny water, very clear. Let's count puddles. 1, 2, 3. Splash of puddles, tee-hee-hee. 1, 2, boo, 3. Splash, splash, splash. Big puddle. Rain, rain, falling down all around. Splash, splash in the rain. Splash,
Goodbye,
splash
everyone.
again and again. Rain,
Have a great day.